Hello everyone, this is Gavin with TrueDoor Property Management again, here today to present to you 5593 Pioneer Boulevard, apartment 18 in Whittier, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome at 880 square feet, located in a quiet, family-friendly community that does have access to various amenities, including a community pool. Go ahead and step inside and show you what this property has to offer. So as you step inside, you are greeted by the spacious living room. Got lots of room for family movie nights or entertaining any guests and relaxing. We do have this beautiful flooring all throughout the home. And it is a 2-story home. Again, at 2 beds, 1.5 baths at 880 square feet. And the bedrooms are located above the living room, so no neighbors above you. The living room does feature a wall air conditioning unit for those warm summer months. And please note that the personal property that you see in this video will not be included with the property. You do have a nice little bar style countertop here looking into the kitchen, so you'd utilize some bar stools seating. The kitchen features elegant white hardwood cabinetry, beautiful countertops, as well as a very charming backsplash. It is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a dishwasher, a stove and oven, and there will be a refrigerator installed prior to your arrival. It's got lots of counter space. It is very roomy in here. Very nice and convenient when cooking. You do have a nice big sink as well. There is a half bathroom located here on the first floor for convenient guest use, or if you're hanging out on the first floor. We'll go ahead and head on upstairs where the bedrooms will reside. The first being right here. Very nicely sized, and we do have this beautiful flooring. Nice big window, allowing lots of natural light to fill the space. And then a spacious closet that goes all the way down. So plenty of room for your storage needs. And then the full bathroom, featuring an attractive single vanity. Perfect for your morning routine. Some beautiful flooring, and then a stunning tile shower and tub combo. And last but not least, the second bedroom. Very nicely sized, lots of room for unwinding. This bedroom does come with 2 closets, so plenty of space for your entire wardrobe. Got the sliding door closet here with ample room, and then a nice walk-in closet here. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for us here at 5593 Pioneer Boulevard, apartment 18 in Whittier, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome at 880 square feet that is located in a quiet, family-friendly community that does include access to various amenities, including a pool. It is available for rent now, so you definitely do not want to miss out on this one. If you are interested, you can visit our website at www.truedoorpm.com in order to submit an application or schedule a showing. Thank you so much, everyone.